first time seeing this.
It's the next chapter, the ultimate goal.
Ready for battle, brave and bold.
I know we're gonna make it. We will save the day.
Looks like Nappa actually evolved. Again.
Victorious and
Tonight we're gonna draw Super Saiyan 4 Nappa.
when we stand united, we will find a way.
Oh, we've come so far.
We fought so hard
To get where we are. Oh, we found our destiny. Oh, we belong together. We are best friends forever. It's always you and me.
give me the courage that sets me free.
I count on you, you're always there for me. No matter where this road takes us.
By your side is where I wanna be.
Oh, we've come so far.
We fought so hard
To get where we are. Oh, we found our destiny. Oh, we belong together. We are best friends forever. It's always you and me.
Pokemon.
Just imagine this. If Nappa was an uncle and was part of the Z Fighters family,
We belong together.
that'd be a good story for him.
Best friends forever. It's always you.
Same thing would go for Raditz. He would actually be part of the family. And to be honest, I actually think that Nappa would actually be a good guy. He'd even be in Dragon Ball GT.
Another fight.
And even get the chance to turn Super Saiyan 4.
We will be strong the way it should be. Ready for the
He'll be one of these Super Saiyan trio.
We will be heroes. We can change the world if we try. I go where you
Here are the armbands.
forever friends.
Get this. He can summon his army of Cybermen. One of these days, I'll draw the Cybermen real soon. That's a promise, Nappa.
The moment's right, the time has come for us to stand together as one. So take my hand and follow me to give it all to our destiny. We will be heroes. We can change the world if we try. I go where you go, forever friends, you and I. We will be heroes.
There.
We will be heroes. We can change the world if we try. I go where you go, forever friends, you and I. We will be heroes. Battle Dimension Pokemon.
Alexa, play the Candyman.
The Candyman by Sammy Davis Jr. on Amazon Music.
Lastly, we draw the tail. And complete! That's how you draw Super Saiyan 4 Nappa. Well, looks like you guys are equal. I'm proud to see that. Proud to consider it official. That's how you draw in Super Saiyan 4 Nappa. Please like your vlog and subscribe to my channel. And get ready for more characters real soon. And they keep getting better and better. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.